Do you want me to teach you how to lose money in business? Let me tell you the story how I made my first sale. It was a wreath that I posted online. I made it out of dollar store product, and it actually sold very, very quick. The next day, I remember, and I priced at $49, including shipping. I was so excited. I was jumping up and down when I made this first sale, but the client requested me to change the wreath base. So I went to the store. It took me approximately 2 hours to find the proper wreath base for her. Then I added more beautiful, expensive flowers to make sure that she's very, very happy. It took me approximately 4 to 5 hours to finish the whole thing. When I went to Canada Post and I find out that it cost $45 to ship to her address, I was speechless. I was blown away with the shipping cost prices. Yes, I was not disappointed because it showed me that online sales are possible, and I just have to find a way how to make it.